Welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be covering It Wasn't Easy by the Lumineers in standard tuning with a capo on the 2nd fret. So he's gonna hold a G chord right at the beginning. So he's gonna strum down on that. He's got his ring finger on the 3rd fret low E string and his pinky finger on the 3rd fret high E string. Brings it down to that 1st fret, index finger on the 1st fret high E string. And then pinky finger back to the 3rd fret B string. So it goes straight from that index finger to the 3rd fret B string. So let's play that a couple times. And it goes right into a C, F, G for the verses. So you got your ring finger, pinky finger on the 3rd fret, 6th and 5th string, middle finger on the 2nd fret 4th string, open on the G string, and index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. So it brings that down to the F. Just move that position down to a G. Just your middle finger and your ring finger on the 2nd fret, 4th and 3rd string, and your index finger on the 1st fret B string. To a G, middle finger on the 3rd fret low E string, index finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and your ring finger and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the B and the high E string. So after that, he kind of strums a little bit on that G. And back into the next verse. So then he goes through the chorus again, and after he plays the chorus the last time, he goes right into an F. So you play it a couple times. You pull up your middle finger off of that G string. Down into a C. So C all the way through. Pull off your index finger. Down to that G. So just move your middle finger up to the G. And then put your index finger back on. Play it nice and slow. after he does that twice, he goes into an A minor. You played it the best. Into a D7 with what is that, F sharp on the low E string. So you played it the best, a dame in distress. It's into that F. Ooh. Then he just does strums once on the C. Yeah, it wasn't easy to be happy for you. So they're skipping that F. Play that twice and then get right back into the normal chorus. That's how they finish out the song. So I hope you enjoyed that guitar tutorial. It's a great song by the Lumineers. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you back at the channel next time.